We know that whenever an electric charge Q moves between 2 points that have a potential difference V, work is done. This work is given by W is equal to Q times V. Now consider a resistor with a potential difference V across its ends. Now we know that power is the rate of doing work, and the power P dissipated in the resistor in a moving charge Q across it in time t is equal to P is equal to work done over time taken. Now, which would give us P is equal to QV over T. And Q over T is the current, the electric current in the resistor. So the electric power is in fact given by the formula P is equal to IV, and we can use R is equal to V over I to rewrite the formula for power in equivalent ways.